Hello and welcome guys. In this short and basic video, I will show you how to shut down your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, if you are using Windows 11 or Windows 10 or Windows 7, method is same. You can shut down very easily. Click on start, click on this power icon. Here guys, you will see some options. Just guys, you have to click on this shutdown icon. So your machine, PC, laptop will be shut down. And there are some more options: hibernate and restart. So once you restart, your PC will turn off and turn on again. Hibernate, your PC will be turned off but apps will running in background. And once you turn on your PC, you are back to where you left off. So just click on shutdown. So this is the way guys, you can shut down your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.